Good day everyone. It's another exciting video with Maths with Max, and today's topic is fraction. Okay, so right away we shall learn the meaning of fraction. So fraction simply means parts of a whole. So take note of the word parts and a whole. So imagine a fruit. This is just a whole fruit. Just one fruit. Trying to understand why we said fraction simply means part of a whole. And so this is a whole fruit. But look at this part that has been taken off out of the whole, part of it. So it simply means that this is a fraction of the whole fruit. So in other words, the word fraction simply means part. Okay? And so that is why we have that fraction is simply means the parts of a whole. Okay? So we shall now see the parts of a fraction. So we'll now go to parts of a fraction. So a fraction is divided into the following. The first part is the numerator, and so this is the upper part of a fraction. So this part of the fraction tells us how many has been taken out of a whole. For example, look at this whole fruit. It's just a single fraction that's taken out of the whole. So this part would have been the numerator. Then the denominator, this is the lower part of a fraction. So the lower part of the fraction tells us how many a whole has been divided into. So if you look at this whole, you'll find out that it has been divided into 2. Can you see? So 2 would have been the lower part of this fraction. Then you have the dividing line. So let's say I take this part out of this fruit. Okay? So you will find out that a whole fruit has been divided into 1, 2, and what? 3. Okay? So if I were to have eaten this part of the fruit, I could simply say, if I were to ask what fraction of the fruit has been eaten, I could simply say 1 out of the 3 parts that the fruit has been divided into. So this would have been my fraction. 1 over 3, meaning this is my numerator, while here is my dividing line, and while here would have been my denominator. Alright, with this we've come to the end of today's lesson about fraction. Look out for more videos where we discuss more about types of a fraction and how to name a fraction. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.